What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you've been looking for an affordable bolt-action pen, check this out. I thought we'd go close in on this one. It's a REFYNE EP1, and this one is in gunmetal. And I love these tubes. They seem to business. And look at that, man. This is a beautiful pen. This is actually probably my favorite color scheme out of all these REFYNEs. It just has this sandblasted look. It's just a beautiful matte finish. It's kind of this medium gray, man. It is so nice. The REFYNE logo right there on the end holding down this clip, and this clip is color matched too, both in that matte finish, but then you can see that laser cut right in there. Just got great detail. You can see that copper inner barrel, I think, with the little tab right there. And so this is that bolt action. You can see it pushes down that ballpoint refill, and man, just so satisfying. I love these. You just do that, boom. People love it. They will notice this if you're using it in a meeting, because you go boom, and man, it's like a rifle bolt. This is super precise. It's super easy to use, and you can just do it one-handed like that. It's just a silky smooth action. And then you have this kind of rounded bullet torpedo type tip here. You can remove it, O-ring there holding it in place. You can see the spring on this pretty standard ink refill, so it's a ballpoint refill. You might actually be able to get the same size on Rollerball. I kind of tend to like Rollerballs. Not sure, maybe this is a Rollerball, but it is just super nice, and they write just absolutely amazing. So if I take a warm reminder card here and just write on it, Pete, look at that. Look how smooth that is. Golly. This thing is sick, and it's just beautiful. I mean, it doesn't get much nicer than that, and it's super affordable. So if you want to pick up one of these REFYNE pens, I will put a link to it in the description below. This color combo is my favorite personally. Peter Von Panda, out.